Yeah, hello everyone. My name is Praveen Alluri. I'm an assistant professor of English over here at SVIT Engineering College. Today we have had a great session. It is Leading a Life of Enrichment by Mr. Naveen. So, indeed, it was an enlightening session, inspiring and motivating. For the whole 2 hours, it was like mesmerizing. We could not turn our eyes off from the sir, and it was a thought-provoking session.
Hi, my name is John. I'm from SVIT College. The entire speech was very insightful, but the part where Sir talked about the inner richness, that really got to me. The inner richness of a person is very important, and when the Sir brought that to light, it was very mind-opening and mind-boggling to me. Thank you, Sir, for this amazing event, and thank you, SVIT, for this amazing event.
Hi everyone, I'm Soumya from SVIT. Today Naveen sir came and gave us a speech. The speech was so splendid that it really touched my heart. I really hope that I apply this speech in my life as well as I inspire others to follow the same thing that sir told us. I hope that I wear the green cap and youngsters should follow this. I hope that every youngster follows sir's channel and gets motivated by the morale that sir is giving.